Is your website losing you business? Are you aware that you can actually decrease your number of sales by offering too many different products or services on one website? For example, your one website could provide SEO advice, Facebook page services, and website building services. A customer could then visit your website with the intention of having a professional Facebook page built and end up not taking advantage of your Facebook page services merely because they see tons of information concerning your SEO advice and website building services. After leaving your site, that same customer goes to a website that offers just the Facebook services and decides to invest with them. So you have to ask yourself, what did I do wrong? Well, the problem was that your one website offered too many services and it did not cater to the one particular service that the customer intended to invest in. The solution to your problem is just to build microsites for each one of your services. By doing this, a customer would only see one service being offered and ask themselves, is this the service that I am willing to invest in? You might be thinking something along the lines of, what exactly is a microsite? Well, a microsite is just a bunch of pages that are all directed towards one specific micro niche. Another quick point to make is that microsites do more than help spread out different products or services. These sites actually allow you to cater to various groups of customers in a more efficient way. For example, you could offer accounting services to both businesses and individuals. By creating two different sites, you would be able to handle those two groups of clients better while also drawing in new customers. Another valid example would be if you sold information on ways to make money blogging and traffic generation. You could create one microsite for each distinct service. There are several other reasons why microsites are effective. Number one, the customer will tend to perceive you as the expert in the one particular service that they want to invest in because they see that you are offering that one specific service. As a result of that, they will be more likely to trust you, which essentially means that they will be more likely to give you their money. Number two, website ranking just got a lot easier. By offering one service on one website, your search engine rankings could skyrocket, which is obviously good for business because it inspires trust and allows you to be found more often by people looking for that one service. Number three, microsites keep you from having all of your eggs in one basket. Many unexpected things can happen to one website, such as that website becomes unfavored by Google. If you offer 5 services on that one site, that could essentially cause problems to your entire business. However, microsites split up all of your professions so that one expected problem to one site only affects one area of your business rather than every aspect of your business. The only so-called catch to this microsite technique is that you must put out plenty of high-quality content on each website for you to remain at the top of the search engines. When creating the different websites for your microsites, make sure you use domains that are based on keywords. If you own a rather large lawn mowing service in Portland and operate all year round, then you could use a domain like portlandlawns365.com as opposed to johnsmithlawns.com. This could allow you to rank much higher in the search engines. You can even add a blog to each one of your microsites. Remember, more quality content increases trust, search engine rankings, and the chances of new customers. The bottom line is that microsites help target specific customers, which is exactly what everyone really needs to keep a business thriving.